In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Facebook customer service. So first of all, if you have a very basic issue with Facebook account or any other settings, you can read out the articles from Facebook. For this, first of all, you're going to open the Facebook application in your phone by tapping on it. Then from the header options, you are going to tap on your profile icon located at the very right side of this header. After that, you are going to scroll down and then you will be able to see here help and support. You are going to tap on that, and after that, you will be able to see here 4 more options. As you can see here, the first option is Help Center. You're going to tap on this option which says Help Center. After that, you will be able to see here different sections of Facebook settings, and you can tap on any of these according to your problem. For example, I'm going to tap on the first one, which is account settings. Once you tap on your desired option, you will be able to see here some more questions over here. So if I want to adjust my account settings, I'm going to go with the first option saying adjust your account settings. After tapping on the account settings, I am able to see here some more options and articles from Facebook related to my topic. So previously it was very easy to contact Facebook customer support, but right now it is nearly impossible to contact Facebook customer support. Also, I am going to clear a very common misconception in people, like people try to reach out Facebook through calling them. If you search on Google about the contact number of Facebook, you will probably get a fake number, and contacting on that number can also lead your account to be hacked. However, it is the last way to contact customer support of Facebook through email. Other than email, all the solutions you're going to find right now are not working. So for this, you're going to close your Facebook account, and after that, you are going to open the Gmail application on your phone. Once you're here, you're going to tap on Compose located at the lower right side of your screen. After that, you're going to type in the support email of Facebook, which is support@fb.com. And once you have done it, you can type in the subject of your email, and finally you can type in more information about your problem in the Compose email section. Once you have done it, you can send the email by tapping on this arrow located at the upper right side of your screen.